Clogged bathroom drains are the worst, but you can fix them fast with some simple tools and stuff you probably already have at home. So, here's the deal. Most bathroom drain clogs happen because of hair, right? First, grab a cheap plastic drain snake from your local hardware store for like $3. You just pop off the drain cover with a screwdriver, then stick the snake down and pull out all that nasty hair and gunk. If the snake doesn't do the trick because the clog's too deep or around a bend, try this next. Pour half a cup of baking soda, followed by half a cup of vinegar down the drain. Cover it up for about 5 minutes so it bubbles and breaks down the clog. After that, slowly pour a whole teapot of boiling water down to flush everything away. This combo works especially well if your clog's a mix of hair and soap scum. Just don't rush pouring hot water if you have PVC pipes. Go slow so nothing cracks. Repeat this process once a month to keep your drains flowing smoothly without harsh chemicals. One of the biggest mistakes people make with bathroom drain clogs is ignoring slow drainage until it's a full blockage, which just makes things worse and harder to fix. Another common issue is using chemical drain cleaners. They might seem like a quick fix, but can damage your pipes over time and don't always work on hair clogs. The third mistake is not removing the drain cover carefully or skipping the snake step, which means you miss pulling out the actual clog material, so the problem comes back fast. To fix these, start tackling slow drains early with simple tools like the plastic snake or natural stuff like baking soda and vinegar. Avoid harsh chemicals to protect your plumbing, and always remove and clean the drain cover properly so you get to the root of the problem. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle or worry. It's also great for contractors looking to connect with people who actually need their skills and get real work lined up quickly.